So it was raining last night, but the heat and humidity are still unbearable. And today I am going to make Mochar Ghonto, banana flour curry with chingri, prawns. There is so much work to do. Cutting banana flour takes like forever. Then cleaning and cutting prawns too. So today we had only mangoes for breakfast. Although intense heat has almost taken away our appetite, mangoes feel the lightest, juiciest, and comforting in this summer. So we Bengalis basically eat every part of banana plant. The fruit, the flower which we call mocha, the stem which we call thor, and even raw banana known as kachkola, along with the ripe banana too. Every parts of banana tree has its own variety of recipes.
Hanging on, walking tall. Some days I got no use for it all. Working hard, making less. Some days are bad, bad at best. Foolish notions, foolish lies. I set to thinking I could make something of me, playing every game except the lottery, serving everybody else and told myself I'm free. Misery is a showy state of bad company. Foolish notions, foolish lies. Foolish notions, they cut me down to size.
Today's menu is boiled rice, piyaj posto, mochar chingdi ghonto, and mach bhaja, fried fish, which I completely forgot to record because by then everyone was already hungry. After lunch, my 1.5 hour nap is absolutely mandatory. Otherwise, by evening, I turn into a low battery human in my clinic. For those who still don't know, I am a dentist too.